4,500,000,000 years ago, a solar nebula takes form. It is a cloud of stardust, the stellar nursery, the mother of suns. At the cloud's center, gravity pulls in huge amounts of gas and dust, making the center hotter and denser. The nebula is on the verge of becoming the hydrogen fusion furnace we call a star. Away from the seething center, other forms mimic the giant cloud, taking on the size and shape of planets. Upon ignition, the young star casts out a continuous spray of fast-moving particles called the solar wind. Nearest its source, this gale strips away any gas or dust not tightly locked within the gravity of the forming protoplanets. The star's blast sweeps away what little atmosphere the closest planet has acquired. The next three, though small, manage to hang on to small envelopes of gas. The gases lost to the forming spheres that would one day become the inner planets flow outward towards other swirling masses. With its belly full of fuel, the new sun burns with great intensity, settling into its nuclear balance. The solar gale calms to a gentler wind. Further out from the sun, distance weakens the power of this solar wind. Particles move more slowly and are easily captured by the gravities of the large protoplanets. The first of these coalescing outer globes, a giant in the making, carries off most of these particles. Three other giants, huge compared to the inner planets but still dwarfed by the king, will catch the rest. The four huge protoplanets sweep out the space they travel through, hurting and consuming all dust and small bodies in their way. A new solar system is born. It is the future home of life forms who will someday gaze into the heavens from their small blue planet, third from the sun. The huge gas giants of the outer solar system will draw their attention, and they will wonder. They will wonder at the nature of these outer planets, planets that have both the hottest and coldest temperatures of the solar system, planets so gigantic that they could easily swallow the Earth. These are worlds where fire and ice live side by side, the residents of an ice-cold and burning hell. As we journey outward from the sun, we encounter all the various kinds of worlds that our solar system has to offer. Of these, the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are made up principally of rock with small atmospheres. We then pass the asteroid belt, which may be the remnant of a 10th planet that once circled the sun, but which now only serves as the demarcation line between the inner and outer planets of our solar system. Like the inner worlds, the outer planets have mythological names. Jupiter carries the name of the king of the Roman gods. Saturn takes its name from the god of time. Urania, a legendary astronomer, supplies the name of the planet Uranus. The sea god gives the planet Neptune its name, and the god of the underworld supplies the name Pluto.